Okay, so let's run through the ingredients for today, what we're going to be using. Of course, if you're making crab meat, we need crab. So I have lump crab meat here. That junk is expensive. Anyways, we're going to be needing 2 eggs, a lemon, some mayo, minced garlic, garlic powder, black pepper, your chicken bouillon seasoning, onion powder, breadcrumbs, and Worcestershire sauce. I also like to add this to my own. I add that to everything. That's totally optional. You don't have to. So let's jump right in. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So to a clean bowl, you want to go ahead and add the following ingredients. You're going to start off with some mayonnaise, and pretty much all of the ingredients that you see, we're going to go ahead and add. So I'm going to add about a cup of mayonnaise, and you can use any kind of mayonnaise that you have or that you would like to use. Avocado mayo, whatever you have, go ahead and use it. You're going to put a few sprinkles of Worcestershire, whatever that sauce is called. You go ahead and put that in there, along with about a tablespoon of garlic, or less if you want that. We're going to add onion powder, garlic powder. You're also going to add all the other seasonings to this, along with the lemon and your egg. This is pretty much going to give it not only flavor to your crab, but it's also going to allow you to bind everything together. Now, for all the naysayers who've been saying that these videos are way too long for the type of recipes, because I've heard that before, if you want a shorter version, head over to my TikTok. It's over there under the same hashtag, Cooking with Debs. But the full recipe, you can always find them here. So I don't want to hear it. It's too long. Just head over there. Follow me there. Now, once that is all mixed in, you want to go ahead and add about a half a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using panko, but you should use the regular breadcrumbs if you have it. I also forgot that I added about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard to this. So mix it all up. Add your crab. All right, so once that is done and you fold it in your crab, you got to be very gentle with this, guys, because you don't want to break up your lump crab meat. You want to keep it nice and hold. So be very, very gentle with how you're mixing it. Don't over mix it. Just fold it in very nicely. I went ahead and added some pepper flakes to mine. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can add hot sauce. You cannot. That's your choice. Season it however you like it. This video is not going to be as long as you guys are used to, because this is quite a simple recipe, okay? All right, so now once that is done, you want to go ahead and start to form your crab cakes. This is up to all optional at this point. I'm going to go ahead and use a lined baking sheet with some foil paper sprayed with avocado oil, so that way it doesn't stick. You can use a non-stick pan if you have it. Now you want to go ahead and form your crab cakes to the size that you want it. With this recipe, guys, you can get about 6 of the, because I split mine in half. That bowl that you saw, I split it in half to save some for another recipe. So what's left here, I'm getting about 6 crab cake, but I'm making mine the size of a hockey puck. So you can split that in half and make it quite small, and you would get about 12 crab cakes out of this, but it's all up to you. Okay, so once you have all your crab cakes formed nicely, you're going to lay them on your tray, pop it in a 375-degree oven for about 15 minutes. You're going to brush the top with a little bit of butter. That's going to give you a nice golden brown color. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this in. And then once it's done, I'll take it out and let you guys see what it looks like. And from there, you can enjoy this delicious masterpiece. So let's go ahead and pop that right in the oven. And I will see you guys back in about 15 minutes. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking at after about 15 minutes in the oven. You have your nice and golden brown delicious crab cakes that I'm going to serve alongside with some lemon wedge, along with some dipping sauce. I'm pretty much using my go-to simple dipping sauce, which is a combination of sour cream, ranch, mayo, ketchup, and a little bit of other spices and so forth. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Leave me a comment down below. Interact with me, guys. Let me know what else you want to see. It's fall season. I'll be bringing you guys some fall recipes. But let me know how you're liking my videos, what else you want to see. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell. Until next time, peace.